Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best spool gun welders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Hobart SpoolRunner 100 Spool Gun. Hobart is quite a popular brand of products related to welding and welding guns that offer a great electric spool gun welder that is mentioned here. This spool gun welder is present in the first position in this article as it is a great overall option for most users out there. Just by the name, it offered a length of 10 feet that is quite decent for the average user. You also get a standard maximum wire size support of up to 0.035 inches so that you can easily use this spool gun with aluminum wire. While the warranty offered by it is rated at just 3 months, the build quality offered by it is quite decent so that you can keep using it without any worries. A great thing about this spool gun welder is that you get a spring-loaded tension release in it for easy feeding of the wire that gets used for welding during its use. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lincoln Electric Spool Gun. Unlike most other spool gun welder brands available out there and the ones mentioned here in this article, Lincoln Electric is one of the only few that includes multiple handy accessories. This spool gun welder is present in the second position in this article as it offers a lot of handy accessories. One of the most unique and useful things included with this welding gun is its carrying case that can be quite handy for easily and safely taking this spool gun welder to remote job sites if needed. As for the welding gun itself, it is a 10 feet long spool gun welder that can accept up to 0.035 inch thick wires for welding. It includes a spool of wire along with the welding gun so that you do not have to buy one separately. Unfortunately, the build quality offered by it is quite average, and you can find better options out there at the given price tag. Number 3. Our third best pick is Lotos Technology Spool Gun. In comparison with other spool gun welders out there, Lotos Technology's offerings are highly reliable and durable, especially for the given price tag. This spool gun welder is present in the third position in this article since it is the most durable and reliable option present in this article. Even though the length of this spool gun welder is a bit shorter at 9 feet, the performance offered by it is quite good. You get the standard wire size support of 0.035 inches with this spool gun for ease of use. Another great thing about it is that it offers a pretty high wire feed speed of up to 13 m/min. It works for genuine Lotos MIG welders, Longevity MIG welders, Eastwood AHP MIG welders. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Miller Electric Spool Gun. Even though this is one of the more premium welding gun and machine brands out there, its spool gun welder can still be a great pick for many users out there. This spool gun welder is the best performing option present in this article. This is primarily due to the fact that you get a pretty high length of 20 feet with this spool gun welder, which is much better than all other options. While it does not have a specific wire size rating, its 4-inch spool can store a lot of wire at once with ease. This is a more premium brand of spool gun welders. It works with Miller Electric's 4000 and 5000 series aluminum wires that can be used for welding without any compatibility issues. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Union MIG Spool Gun. This is a relatively small brand, but it has gained a reputation for developing reliable power tools that are quite efficient, affordable, and offer value for money. This is a light spool gun. The reason that this spool gun found its place on our list is because of its specialized design for MIG welding aluminum, along with selective Lincoln welders. This light spool gun is rated at 135 amps at a 30% duty cycle. It has a 4-inch diameter spool of wire, reducing the travel distance of the wire and creating smooth welding joints. This spool gun is ideal for stainless steel, aluminum, and flux cord wire use. With its 10 feet cable length, this spool gun is quite enough to move around freely while welding. Connect this welder properly using a 5-pin snap-on trigger. The comfortable handle grip will securely hold the spool gun without straining the hand during its operation. Apart from that, a hex wrench and 2 contact tips are included. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.